Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to take a photo with voice commands. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can say goodbye to shaking your phone or awkward angles. You can turn on the voice commands like smile, capture, or shoot to snap a photo hands-free. So let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and open up the camera app. Next, you want to go ahead and tap on this 4 dots here and then tap on settings. Now here, you want to go ahead and scroll down and find shooting methods. And now here, you want to go ahead and turn on this feature called voice commands. So you can take pictures by saying smile, cheese, capture, or shoot, and also you can record videos by saying record video. So as an example here, I'll go back. I'll say smile, and there he shoots. If you go into recording mode, record video. So this is perfect for group selfies, tripod setups, or when your hands are busy. So you add a convenience and control, so just speak and your S25 Ultra will listen to you. So there you go guys, that is how to take a photo with voice commands on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.